Good morning, my witches. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Jessica back to give you some witchy tips. Let's get started. Witchy tip number 1, claiming your power. Whether mundanely or magically, by listening to your intuition, that gut instinct is typically the universe's way of guiding you to the right path. Witchy tip number 2, probably the most important and the most frequently asked: how to connect with the gods and goddesses. Meditate without motives. Research what they're drawn to. Call on them not just because you want something, but to develop a relationship, and speak to them like you would an old friend you respect. Number 3, manifesting. Very frequently asked about as well. Be clear it's what you want, what you really want. If you aren't sure, it likely won't come to fruition. A lot of times we ask for what we think we should want and not what we really want, and that's why it doesn't work out. The bell, the mighty underestimated bell. This little tool helps with connecting, warding, sealing, cleansing, protecting, and a little bit more. Do some research and include the bell in your witchy tools today. Number 5, witchy tip. A white candle can substitute any other candle color. Yes, you heard that right. You can just use plain white. Last witchy tip for today: it is okay to substitute herbs when they are expensive or hard to source. Every herb has another herb that does exactly the same thing. Do your research and you'll be just fine. Alright, witches, I hope you enjoyed the video today on my witchy tips. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to be notified of future videos. Alright, witches, I'm out of here and we'll talk soon.